Hi there! Welcome to our beginner's course on Figma. This course is designed so that even if you've never opened a design tool before, you'll be able to follow along step by step and create your very first projects. Figma is a tool used today by both beginner designers and professionals at major companies. It's easy to learn, works directly in your browser, and gives you access to countless features for creating website and app interfaces. In this first video, we'll get to know the platform itself, understand how it's different from other editors, and why designers around the world choose it. In the next lessons, we'll move on to practice. You'll learn how to create projects, work with tools, and build your first real design layouts. So, get comfortable, because we're about to dive into the exciting world of design. So, what exactly is Figma? Figma is a graphic editor created specifically for working with interfaces and design. Unlike Photoshop or Illustrator, which are better for editing photos or illustrations, Figma is focused on building layouts for websites, mobile apps, and digital products. The main difference is that Figma is fully online. That means you don't need to install heavy software or save files on your computer. All your projects are stored in the cloud, and you can access them from any device. Just open your browser and log in. Why do designers love Figma? First, because of its simplicity. Even if you've never done design before, the interface is intuitive, with just the right amount of tools and everything easy to find. Second, because of speed. You can work directly in your browser without lag, and every change saves instantly. And of course, accessibility. Figma has a free plan, and for beginners, it's more than enough. You can practice, create projects, and even work with clients, all without paying for a subscription. But perhaps the biggest advantage of Figma is collaboration. Imagine Google Docs, where several people edit a document at the same time. Figma does the same thing, but for design. Designers, managers, and developers can open the same file and work together. Someone makes changes, someone leaves comments, someone else just watches the process. It's incredibly convenient for teamwork. Figma also works on all platforms. There's a web version, desktop apps for Windows and Mac OS, and a mobile app. That means you can quickly show a mock-up to a client from your phone or make small edits on the go. Plugins are another huge bonus. There are hundreds of them in Figma, and they help you speed up your workflow. For example, you can generate placeholder text, add icons, or even create a complete color palette. This makes Figma flexible and powerful. That's why in recent years, Figma has completely taken over. Sketch, Adobe XD, InVision, they've all faded into the background because Figma turned out to be simpler, faster, and more convenient. Let's recap. Figma is an online editor for designing interfaces, cloud-based, with no complex installations, real-time collaboration, free access for beginners, hundreds of plugins and extensions, and most importantly, the industry standard in digital design. If you want to become a designer or just learn how to create modern interfaces, Figma is the best place to start. In the upcoming videos, we'll move on to practice, creating our first project, exploring the interface, and building our very first design elements. Thanks for joining me in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and stay tuned, because we have a lot of exciting lessons ahead.